700 athletes that will be competing against Eldro Yulo, ma'am. Saan po ba natin aasahan na mag-gold si Eldro?
I think Eldrew will also do a gold in the floor and can be also in the rings. Ang galing siya sa rings. If he doesn't fall, I think he's very good and also in the vault. Galing siya sa lahat yan. So I just hope, and in the P-March, he's also good. So one of them, if he doesn't do what he's supposed to do, he will win at least 2 golds, I hope.
Yeah, ma'am. Kagagaling lang po ni Eldro sa All Japan Championships, no? And ang ganda ng mga routine niya doon.
Yeah, nakita mo?
Yes, ma'am. Oh. Kaya lang, hindi pinapakita yung score doon sa mga FB kasi baka ma-scout siya, no? Yung kalaban.
Ayaw. Even me, I don't know. Ayaw sila to tell us.
Kailan po ba siya babalik, ma'am? Nandito
Nandito
siya?
na. We had an interview this morning when unang hearing. With Eldrew and me and everything.
Ma'am,
Live. No?
yeah. Ma'am, other than doon sa mga glitches na approach natin going to the tournament, yung mga girls ba natin, do we expect them na they will also perform at their best para maikuha naman natin ng medalya dito sa juniors?
You mean to say the others aside
The
from
girls po.
Eldrew?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course. They're really trying hard. You should see the training. Can you come and you see our organization? You will see everything how well our place is. Do you know? Can I brag a little bit? Can I? I like him. The big VIPs. They told me they always grade the championships. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you have. You know what grade I got? The highest grade is N. Guess what grade I got? Number 10, of course. And then they gave me a gold medal. They said I have the best organization. And it's really impressive. But I spent a lot of money. I think to have a good organization, we have to have a lot of money. Good President Marcos gave us also money. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good morning, Gaperas, People's Kaliba. 2 questions. Una, yun sa venue natin, of course, the Marriott Hotel, at meron mga easy access sa mga iba't ibang mga hotels. How's the, sabihin natin, atmosphere dyan sa competition? Nakaanda na ba yung mga magsisilbing venues, especially yung Grand Ballroom? How's the progress right now ng ating mga venues natin?
Everything is fantastic. But the competition hall, which is the field of play, it just gave us because there was a wine festival. After the wine festival, there was a wedding. And to do the proper competition hall, they need at least 4 days because they have to put the podium, they have to put this. They gave us 1 day and a half. So now, yesterday, it was inspection day and it was done. So we are ready, and our training hall is ready, our stretching hall is ready, our warm-up hall is ready. Everything is ready, and our field, love and field, the whole atmosphere has, we own the whole Grand Marriott is us. Floor, second floor, and third floor. And we are selling all kinds of souvenirs. You will love. Come and go to the third floor and buy some of the souvenirs. It's really something else, you know. It's really amazing. I'm amazed at the souvenir that they put up there.
Okay, last question na lang. Of course, aside from Eldrew Yulo and Elizabeth Anton na maglalaro sa individual, we have the team events. Kaya na mention, yung mga batang Pinoy medalists like sina the Palace Brothers, King CJ Pernia, and even yung mga women's gymnasts na rin, Maxine, Sabina, and others na rin.
When I want information, I just call you.
Alright, sorry. Ano ba ang asa natin sa iba pa nating gymnast apart from Eldrew and of course kay Elizabeth na maglalaro? Thank you.
I'm just praying because ang galing-galing ang ibang mga nations. I saw United States is very strong. Japan, ang strong. China, very strong. So, I'm hoping that we can make it. I'm hoping. But I'm sure of Eldo. The others, I'm praying and hoping that they survive it. And it is a good experience for them. For the future, they will do better.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Ivan. Good morning.
Ivan is here. Ivan.
Good morning po. Ivan Singh po ng Daily Tribune. Ma'am, you mentioned po that we will field the team po sa Junior Worlds po. Mind if I ask, sino po yung lucky gymnast that will be competing against the world's best starting this Thursday?
In our, we're gonna be competing as a team.
Yes po ma'am, sino
Yeah.
po mga members po na?
In the other team that we're competing.
For the men's and women's team po.
The women.
Yung men and women's po, yung mga gymnasts po na training for the women's.
Well, these countries that I mentioned to you, that they're,
Yeah,
if you go.
May I literally jump in?
Yes, I don't
So to answer Ivan,
Yes.
for those, and we will be hopefully informing, just to give you an idea, we have already Elizabeth Antong and the Palace brothers, Hilarion Palace III. He was just a Batang Pinoy, and CJ Pernia as well, and the John Anthony Palace as well. Anyway, we will be the men in the men's. On the other hand, the women's are. Can you hold on? Yes, ma'am. Sabina Tayag, Maxine Londo, Jelian Pantilan, and of course Elizabeth Anso. For the benefit of our colleagues, this is a milestone for. We have never had a WAG and MAG team in the seniors. Now we also have a MAG and MAG team, which hopefully will also boost grassroots development in the country, because now that they know we can compete even against junior worlds. They have now another stepping stone going to senior play. I hope that answers you. And we will forward the names to the PSC media partners' names. Okay. Thank you, Marisa.
Please forward the names, because I'm not very good at names. Even with you people, I know all your faces, but I don't know your names. I only know Randy and Judith and Obak, and of course, Obak and Bong. That's it. And Ivan, of course. He's always calling me.
Anyways po ma'am, based dun sa